Hey guys, what's up? I got special unboxing. Sorry, I don't wanna. My parents are sleeping, so I don't wanna talk too loud. Yep. So surprisingly, I did not know. This is kind of funny. If you guys can see if my phone will focus. Yeah, there we go. Right here, it says Compton. Um, it's pretty funny, but yeah, whatever. It's probably stupid of me. I never knew that was in California, but whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna get on with this. Hold on. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Hold on. Let me try that. Alright, that should work. I love these. They're so good. Here it is. I got. Okay. So, I got. Hold on, let me see. Focus. Hold on. There we go. I got finished brass armor heavy. So let's take a look inside. Wow, that's nice. Feels way more hefty. Yeah, I did not pay $27. I paid like 10 with shipping. So yeah, this is real. It's not fake. Every Zippo comes with that. And armor case, all that stuff. Care for your brass lighter. You guys want to read that when it focuses? Go ahead, pause the video and read it. But yeah, so this is for collective purposes only. As you probably saw, I have another Zippo there with lighter fluid. So yeah, I mean, I could light it if I wanted to, but this is, collective purposes. Not only, mostly. I have another, not Zippo. It's kind of like a wannabe Zippo, one of those fake ones. But yeah, I really like this. It kind of looks like the replica model. I forgot what replica model it is. But, yeah, it's pretty nice. So, I mean, yeah, so this Zippo. Matte black. See? It's kind of my trick Zippo right here. Compare box sizes. The one on the left is my brass. They're about the same. Tell you the truth, this one kind of seems a little bit bigger, maybe because it's an older model. This flame shines more. I don't know if that's just the angle. Yeah, it's just the angle. So yeah, probably gonna be rearranging that up. But yeah, and I didn't really get to review this, but probably soon enough make a review on this. This is my flashlight. It has that setting where you could like focus, and it also has green and red for night vision. This is LED, This is for reading in the dark, as it says. And are the greens also for hunting? And this is night vision. I also recently went to a gun show. It was pretty fun. Yeah. Yeah, this is my favorite knife right now. This is a Kershaw Brawler with a Tonto blade. Speed safe, spring assisted. So as you can see, I have a lot of U.S. Army stuff right there and right there. So, yep. Close this up. Don't want to cut myself. I accidentally cut myself right here, as you can see. Hold on, wait, right. Hold on, right there. I was trying to do something Cutlery Lover showed us. It's where you take your blade reverse style and you just kind of like fling it down. And so, I can do it fairly well. Like this, look. There you go, like that. But, the blade kind of flew out of my hand, and this is serrated. So, it just dug into my skin. And also here, kind of cut myself with this, can't really see it, right there, yeah, with this knife, this throwing knife, got from Deal Extreme. It actually came pretty sharp, not that sharp, but good enough. So, yeah, I'll be making some future videos, soon enough. Wait, you guys can't really see that. Let me fix this. That's good enough. But yeah, so I probably won't be filling this up for some time till this one wears out, which probably won't happen because I ordered some flints and a wick, even though in this case right here, it's a pretty nice case. I already got some flints. They are big flints, but they work. They're actually dollar store flints, but from dollar store lighters, but you know what? They work just as well. Alright, so thanks guys. I'll probably be making a new video soon. Alright, catch you later.